Welcome back to Tech Monetize Official. Today, we're on a treasure hunt for hidden gems in the stock market, companies with huge potential, all trading under $25. Cheap stocks can be risky, but with smart research and a focus on fundamentals, you can find real value. Our goal? Spot companies poised for major growth in 2025 and beyond, innovators with disruptive business models and strong market positions. We're talking about getting in early, before Wall Street catches on. If you want to build a diverse portfolio without a huge bankroll, this video is for you. I'll break down 10 promising stocks that could deliver serious returns. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into our first pick. All right, let's get started. First up is SoFi Technologies, ticker SoFi. Once a student loan refinancer, SoFi is now a full-service digital bank. Loans, investing, banking, all in one app. Their tech-first approach is winning over millennials and Gen Z, and their flywheel model means customers often use multiple SoFi products. The game changer? Their national bank charter. Now, SoFi funds loans with member deposits, boosting margins and control. They're not just a fintech, they're a regulated bank with a powerful tech platform. Membership and revenue are growing fast, and they're closing in on GAAP profitability. As they scale, expand products, and leverage their bank charter, profitability looks more certain. SoFi's comprehensive ecosystem and explosive growth make it a compelling long-term play. At today's price, you're getting a disruptive financial powerhouse at a bargain. Wall Street is underestimating their potential. This is a stock to watch for 2025. Let's move to our next pick. Next is Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR, a big data analytics leader. Their Gotham platform serves government agencies, while Foundry is gaining traction with commercial clients in manufacturing, energy, and healthcare. Palantir's edge? Turning massive, messy data into actionable insights. Think streamlining supply chains or accelerating drug discovery. Their commercial business is expanding fast, unlocking a huge market beyond government contracts. The AI boom is a major catalyst. Palantir's AI platform lets clients deploy advanced models securely on their own data. This makes Palantir's platform sticky and highly valuable. They've achieved GAAP profitability and could soon join the S&P 500. With deep government ties, a surging commercial business, and a central role in the AI revolution, Palantir is a high-risk, high-reward play for 2025. The stock's recent dip offers a rare entry point. Let's keep going. Up next, a company aiming for the skies. ACHR Aviation, ticker ACHR, is building electric air taxis. Quiet, efficient eVTOL aircraft for urban travel. Their Midnight aircraft is real, not sci-fi, and they're on track for FAA certification by 2025. Key partnerships set them apart. Stellantis helps with manufacturing, and United Airlines has $1 billion conditional order. ACHR plans to operate its own aerial ride-sharing network, aiming for prices competitive with premium ground rides. The business model is scalable, and the market potential is massive. Yes, it's speculative. Regulatory and operational hurdles remain. But if ACHR delivers, today's price could look like a steal. For a small, high-risk slice of your portfolio, ACHR offers huge upside. Let's land and check out our next pick. Back to Earth, literally. Matterport, ticker MTTR, is digitizing the built world with 3D digital twins of real spaces. Their tech powers virtual tours for real estate, but the applications go much further: construction, insurance, property management, and more. The shift to a SaaS model is key: more users, more recurring revenue, and a growing data moat. You can now capture spaces with just a smartphone, expanding their reach dramatically. Their unique data set enables AI-powered insights, like asset tagging and space optimization. Matterport's stock has dropped from pandemic highs, but the business fundamentals remain strong. As digital transformation accelerates, demand for accurate digital spaces will soar. Matterport leads the field and is poised for a rebound in 2025. Let's plug into our next megatrend. On to electric vehicles. ChargePoint Holdings, ticker CHPT, is building the backbone of EV charging infrastructure. They're one of the largest EV charging networks globally, with a software-driven, capital-light business model. ChargePoint sells hardware to businesses and earns recurring revenue from software subscriptions and services. Their land and expand approach locks in customers and grows as EV adoption accelerates. Expansion in Europe adds a huge runway for growth. The stock's been beaten down over profitability concerns, but that's created a value opportunity. As EVs go mainstream, ChargePoint's scale and brand give it a major edge. For patient investors, this is a pure play on the EV revolution. Now let's head to space. Meet Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab USA, ticker RKLB, is the second most prolific commercial launch provider after SpaceX. Their Electron rocket reliably launches small satellites, but the real story is their space systems division, designing and building satellite components. Rocket Lab offers end-to-end solutions: design, build, launch, and operate satellites. Their next-gen Neutron rocket, set for larger payloads and reusability, could be a game-changer. With a proven launch business, high-margin space systems, and visionary leadership, Rocket Lab is positioned for the trillion-dollar space economy. The stock trades at a fraction of private peers, making it a stellar long-term bet. Let's shift from space to synthetic biology. Next up, Ginkgo Bioworks. Stay tuned. Ginkgo Bioworks, ticker DNA, is pioneering synthetic biology, programming cells like software to create everything from fragrances to medicines. They're a platform company, partnering across industries to help others develop better products using biology. Their automated foundries run millions of experiments, generating valuable biological data. Ginkgo earns through service fees and, crucially, royalties or equity in partner products, scaling their upside. Their data moat grows with every experiment, making their AI models smarter and their platform more attractive. It's a long-term, speculative play. Synthetic biology is still young, and Ginkgo isn't profitable yet. But if they succeed, they could become foundational to the 21st century bioeconomy. High risk, high potential reward. Let's move to advanced manufacturing. Here's Velo3D. Velo3D, ticker VLD, is revolutionizing metal 3D printing for mission-critical parts. Think rocket engines and jet turbines. Their support-free technology eliminates the need for temporary supports, enabling complex designs and reducing costs. They sell high-end printers to top-tier clients like SpaceX and Honeywell, creating sticky long-term relationships. The business model combines upfront sales with recurring revenue from software, materials, and service. Execution risks remain, but the technology is validated by demanding customers. If Velo3D scales production, the upside from today's low price could be substantial. Now let's talk AI. Meet SoundHound. SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN, is an independent voice AI platform for brands that want custom voice assistants. No reliance on Amazon or Google. They're gaining traction in autos, Hyundai, Kia, Stellantis, and restaurants powering drive-thrus and kiosks. Their tech helps brands keep control of data and customer experience. Partnerships with Toast, Square, and NVIDIA highlight their momentum. The market is huge as more devices go voice first. It's a competitive, speculative space, but SoundHound's independence is a key differentiator. As voice interfaces become standard, SoundHound could be a major enabler. One last stop, Terran Orbital. Terran Orbital, ticker LLAP, is a top manufacturer of small satellites for aerospace and defense. Their multi-billion-dollar contract with Rivada Space Networks gives them massive revenue visibility. Lockheed Martin is both a major customer and investor, validating Terran's tech and execution. New manufacturing facilities are ramping up to meet demand. The market doubts their ability to deliver, but if they execute, the stock could re-rate dramatically. You're buying into a key supplier for next-gen space infrastructure at a deep discount. For risk-tolerant investors, Terran Orbital is an event-driven opportunity. Let's wrap up. That's 10 stocks under $25 with big potential for 2025 and beyond. From fintech to space, these picks show you don't need a fortune to invest in innovation. Remember, many are speculative, so diversify and do your own research. Use these ideas as a starting point. dig deeper, read reports, and match them to your strategy. What do you think? Any other cheap stocks on your radar? Drop a comment below. If you found value, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and supporting Tech Monetize Official. See you in the next video.